Hi guys, Mel here. If you hear something in the background, it's Harper eating her bone. So this is dog life, okay? Mom, dog life. She is just going away chewing on her bone. Look at her. She never usually eats it. She just licks the peanut butter out of it. If you guys watched my video from yesterday, I shared all of the feels that I'm feeling, so go check that video out. It is the start of another series for me, the November series. What I'm doing is every week I want to make $1,000. So from the 1st of November to the 7th of November, I would like to make $1,000 in that time frame, and then we'll start over on the 8th. And we will keep going all month until hopefully I hit $4 grand. I worked yesterday and I worked the day before. And if you guys want, go check out those videos. We are starting today. We're counting it down. So I started at 1,000 and now the money that I've made so far, we're at $794.29. So that's what I have to earn before the 7th, and today is the 4th. I have my first Instacart order of the day. It's right here for you guys. Super excited about this order. Nice big order. We are heading inside Walmart on Instacart and we are shopping for 2 customers. Lots of items, nice big payouts. I'll see you guys inside with the cart. Here is the cart, you guys. Customer 1 is in the basket and customer 2 is on the bottom and in the top here. Nice big order. I wanted to show you guys how I organize it in the car. Over here we have this bag and 2 cases of soda here. So this is the first stop. Once I drop this off, this bag will be free, and then I can put these groceries in there and then take all of this and this to the other customer's house. Get some reusable bags, you guys, that are big. Make your trips easier if you're an Instacart shopper out there, or any shopper at that. I'll see you guys at the drop-offs. Both of those orders are dropped off. $75.36 for both of those orders. So we are now at $718.93, and it's still really early in the day, so we're gonna keep going.
Just over here bathing ourselves.
What you doing? You taking a bath? Are you cleaning? Yeah, you cleaning. You see the bugs? Very good. Get the fly. You get the flies. You're a good girl. My next order from Instacart, you guys. We are heading inside Walmart, shopping for very few items, driving about 7 miles. Nice payout. This is going to be a really easy order because most of it is in the cooking aisle. It's a bunch of spices and seasonings. I'll see you guys inside with the cart. I am getting so pissed off with this order because I wanted to pick out this 11 items and go in and out and pay $30. So this customer is saying she wants me to pick out toys for some child that she is gifting things to. I try to be nice, you guys, but she has added 8 more items onto her grocery shopping list on top of that, and I'm supposed to search around for toys. She's saying she's going to tip me more, but I highly doubt that because my experience with that is so now I'm on this phone with support, or the chat, sitting here wasting my time. I only picked out 2 of her items so far because if the pay increase doesn't go up, I'm not shopping this order. This order was disgusting. I started shopping the order. It was 11 items that you guys saw. Payout was $30, okay? As soon as I get in the store, the customer was adding items. She added 8. Then she was in the chat, and I have this entire thing screen recorded. Her chat between me and her and the 3 customer service representatives I spoke to. So as we're shopping, she told me that she needed to buy birthday presents for her disabled next door neighbor, because I'm supposed to feel sorry that this boy is disabled. You could just say, I need to buy birthday presents. I forgot something. So that's clue number 1. Number 2, she was telling me all of these toys that she wanted. They were Pokemon figurines. Now, I don't know Pokemon, you guys, but I sent her pictures and I said, here's what they have. Pick some out. So I went on the other side of the store to the grocery side and started shopping her order of the items in her cart. She comes back and she tells me she wants 8 things. I finish shopping her order. I go back to the toy section, trying to add the items. I can't. I asked her, can you go online and add toys? She said she can't. So I called customer service. The first customer service rep told me that he's not adding anything. Second person tells me this customer can't order items. I said, why not? What's going on with her account that she can't? And he kept saying over and over again, she's not allowed to add items to her account. She was telling me to take money out of my own pocket and pay cash, and to tell her how much it was going to be after I paid for it, and she would reimburse me the cash. Now you guys know I'm piss ass broke, so no, I'm not. It is against policy and you're not supposed to do it. So if you're a driver out there paying cash for your clients or customers, you're not supposed to be doing it. So all my Instacart customers out here, this is awareness for you guys of what drivers and shoppers go through. She's no longer allowed to add items to her account because she was letting people add items to her account and then telling them they should pay cash. So she's been scamming people. She's literally scammed Instacart shoppers. Instead of banning her account, they keep her on the account, and then if you're stupid enough, you'll pay for the cash, and then you'll get to the door and she'll fuck you over. The customer service rep told me that she's scamming, and I said, I don't want to deliver to her door. The way that she was talking to me in the chat, it was really weird, it was really uncomfortable, and I just didn't want to deliver the order. Now, what you guys don't understand is if you cancel the order yourself, you don't get paid for it. Well, I shopped the entire order, and it took an hour of my time. The customer service rep told me to ask her if she wants to cancel her order, and of course she said no. So she ordered a rack of lamb, she ordered a rack of ribs, she's got all this barbecue stuff. Her cart must have been at least $300, plus she wanted me to add Pokemon figurines, you guys. This says scam all over it, which is why I'm telling you guys, so you can be educated about being careful and protecting yourself on Instacart, because Instacart don't give a shit about you. But then I get to the checkout because I can't do anything if she says, no, I don't want to cancel my order. You have to deliver it. Customer messages me again, and she says, what address do you have on your end? I said, well, you should be able to see the address that you entered in there, so could you just, reiterate it back to me? Let me know what you have on your end, and I'll confirm. So she told me 2 different addresses, and none of the addresses matched the address that was in Instacart. So I contacted support again. I told support that she tried to scam me out of cash. She's being fraudulent on her account, and now she's telling me 3 different addresses, and all of the addresses don't match the address in her Instacart account. This guy asked no questions, probably because she has a ton of notes on her account, and he said, I'll be more than happy to cancel the order for you. So the order was canceled, and do you think this woman is still on the app? Yes, she is, scamming people left and right. This is the reality of Instacart. They don't reprimand their customers. The Instacart drivers out here, instead of listening to me rant and bitch and complain, just know that there's people out there that scam you. They claim that stuff doesn't get dropped off by the door. They claim that you delivered to the wrong address. They get pissed off at you if you don't add items for them. They'll add items while you're grocery shopping. This is all signs of somebody who's just kind of fishy, so pay close attention to stuff that's not normal. Like I said, as soon as I started the order, she added on 10 items. Then she's starting to ask me to add $25 a pop, 8 toys, and telling me that she'll give me cash at the door and she'll increase my tip if I do these things for her, which she should have already did it on the app herself. So that's number 1 lesson from scamming. Number 2 is the address. If somebody tells you that anything about their address, you guys, any normal person that goes on Instacart and shop double checks to make sure that their delivery address is correct. You get notified when the person starts shopping. You get notified of everything on your account. So this lady was just all around scamming. And just so you guys know, they don't take her off the app. They only asked me if I'd like to block her so I never receive orders from her again. So somebody else is going to go shop this order. They don't take her off the platform, and then they're going to do it to somebody else until she eventually wins, which is so messed up. But anyway, I hope you guys don't get scammed by people. Now it's 9 o'clock at night and I'm out money because I could have been doing other orders where people weren't trying to scam me. And, you know, it just kind of irritates me, but there's nothing I can do about it. This is future Mel. I could have easily canceled this order, but the problem is when you cancel an order, one, you don't get paid, and two, your acceptance rate drops and you can get deactivated from Instacart, which is why I put up with this customer and 3 different reps just to make chump change. Instacart does not make anything easy for the shopper. I didn't know what to do with this order and I never wanted to deliver it because I kept telling the reps and they don't help you. Finally, you got to go through 4 reps for them just to get this lady off my order, and they don't want to pay you for it. Even if you shop the whole order, even if this customer is harassing you. That's how messed up Instacart is. Another thing I'm going to tell y'all too, if you ever feel unsafe at somebody's door, you feel unsafe from the get-go, don't deliver that order. And if are brave enough to deliver that over, have the cops meet you at that house. Because these people are up to no good. Somebody could like harass you at the door if they're being catty in the chat, and you go to deliver this order just because you want to make $13. You guys, don't risk yourself for it. Don't call support because they don't give 2 shits about you. Like, they're not going to answer anything. I was telling the guy on the chat that this lady who was harassing me, asking me to pay cash for her order, and he did not give 2 flying cahoots, y'all. He just said, tell her to cancel the order. Well, she didn't want to. So what? I'm supposed to just deliver to this scammer? I already know she's scamming me or trying to scam me. And now all of a sudden the address is wrong? What am I going to do? Ask her for the correct address in the chat and not know between the 3 that she picked? Y'all better be careful out there. And then the instant you do something wrong, Instacart will deactivate you and then you're out of money. So you're damned if you do, and if you don't, damned if you don't. I do not like a lot of the policies that they have, because for the most part, you guys see that I do enjoy the app, but this is one thing that pisses me off about them, because they don't care about their shoppers. They are in favor of their customers. They let people scam on this app, and this is proof. The good thing about this order is that Prop 22 will pay me for the 2 hours that this lady wasted my time. So they pay you minimum wage, which out here in California, I don't know what it is. I didn't drive any miles, but it was my time. So they pay you by time and your miles. That order took 2 hours. Just to sit there between back and forth with all of the customer service reps and the customer. Anyway, the payout for that order was $13.67 because that was the chump change batch pay. And more than likely that customer probably scammed people out of her tips too, because she tipped $20. Go imagine that. And Instacart only covers $10 if a customer takes your tip away. Hopefully Prop 22 is going to come through. Harper's eating her dinner. Did you eat all that already? Damn, girl! Were you hungry? Lord have mercy. She's just scarfed down her food, y'all. Acting like she never ate before. Do you want more? Payout was $13.67, y'all. I'll let you know what Prop 22 does in the near future, but 705.26 is what we're at now. I just wasted my time was wasted, y'all. Nothing pisses me off more than people wasting my time. Let me tell you. If I waste my own time, that's one thing. If people waste my time, I have another order from Instacart. It's a small order. That's what I said about the last one. We're heading inside Walmart shopping for a few items. It's up on the screen for you guys. Miles are good, payouts decent. Just trying to make whatever money I can make to recoup the time that I lost. So I'll see you guys inside with the card. That order is dropped off. That was the easiest order of the day. $16.67 payouts, and now we're at $688.59. Well, you guys, it's been a day. The start of the day was awesome with that $75 order. The second order, we're over it. Tomorrow's a new day. So today we made $105.70. So we are ending this day with $688.59 to go. That means I am trying to make $1,000 by the 7th. So we had the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Today is the 4th. So we have $688.59 left to go before the 7th of November. That is what we're doing this week. So make sure you stick around and watch me hustle up until the 7th to see how much I can get done. I'm so tired. So my eyes and all of the things we need to go to bed. We got to get up early tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday, the busiest day of the week. I look forward to it. I look forward to seeing you. So have a great night. Have a great day. If you're watching this, whenever you're watching it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you love hanging out with me. Do me a kindness with the thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye.